I saw something that Queen Naija made, and I took a screenshot of it. I'm doing string beans, so I cut up my string beans already. You know, I cut each end of it and then cut it down the middle, like in half. I seasoned my chicken breast already. Well, chicken strips, you know, still breast, but it's the strips. And it's like a cream sauce. I screenshot it for the cream sauce, but it has like spinach in it. You put your cheese seasonings and stuff in it. If I don't record it, I'll show my plate when I'm done. But I'm prepping, so I'm about to put the string beans on now so that they could, you know, cook. And then I'm going to put my potatoes on because I'm making mashed potatoes with it. And I guess I will show y'all. Bye. I wake up every morning and tell myself, good morning, gorgeous. Sometimes you Okay, so I seasoned my chicken right here, which is garlic powder, onion powder, Cajun, and seasoned salt and pepper. Now, for the sauce, you need, let me flip the camera. You need spinach, mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, garlic powder, onion powder, Cajun seasoning. You need Creole. I don't have no more, but Creole and Slap Your Mama. This is Slap Your Mama, but I have it in my seafood thing. This is Slap Your Mama though. And she said garlic and herb butter, but we're gonna use this and add some garlic to it. You gotta use what you got. I ain't gonna say the rest. So the seasonings is basically, I mean, what I season my chicken with is what the same seasonings that's going in my sauce. So I'm about to start my chicken and then start the sauce. String beans is going. What Zoe said. Yeah. Yeah. He be like, the butter is going. Okay. I think I'm gonna move these to the front. Move my potatoes to the back. And then put on this chicken. This chicken. It's getting dark and there ain't no type of light up in here. Here go my pan. So y'all put them scooters back in the garage? I'll show you them. Okay, while the chicken is going, I'm gonna rinse my spinach. Baby spinach. Yeah. I just saw a video on my phone that you did when I had my seafood, and you did it on there. I said, "Oh, I didn't even know you did that." I did not know.
What you call them? Busy bees? Busy bees.
Hey, my busy bees. That's Cheyenne friend. She's going with us to Raging Waters tomorrow. So hey, say hey, girl, how you doing, Cheyenne? I'm not playing. Wait. Dinner.
What you be making with this spinach? What is it called?
I'm doing it. You remember that? That was a while ago when I made that dip. It probably was over that. What? I think it was.
What?
Yeah. I'm going to start my sauce. add some chicken broth to my sauce because it's a little too thick for my liking. So I'm gonna thin it out a little bit. You guys, check out my Amazon storefront. I do have loungewear, you know, kitchen finds, and self-care, which is my favorite. If you guys been watching me for a minute, you guys know I love self-care. So this is like some of my favorite products that I use and that I have or I have used in the past. Loungewear, these are like $9.99. It's some that are $19.99. I think the pants are. This one is $9.99. But yeah, just check it out. The link will be in the description box. Thank you. Bye. Oh, sorry, and I do earn commission if you guys do purchase something. So I just wanted to put that out there so that you guys are aware. I will get a little something. So thank y'all in advance. Okay, y'all, so basically everything is done, but I'm about to put my chicken in the oven just to like warm it up and cook a little longer to get it a little tender. So this is the chicken I'm going to put in the oven. Mashed potatoes is done. This is still simmering so the spinach can cook a little longer. And then the string beans is cooking. Who at the door? Bon appetit.